Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, and I'm saying this, I don't remember whether we unboxed this car in previous boxes, but I still went ahead and bought this one just so that I can showcase it to you guys how this one looks in this particular case on this particular color. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So here it is. So out of the box, this casting does look really nice. And as usually you have some paint job issues here. You can see the scratch marks here. So this is getting, it is getting really boring now to repeat the same things again and again. So it doesn't have any headlights details painted, but it is like embossed the entire front side, including the grille and all. And the engine detail looks really nice. I'm not sure what this is here. I'm not sure about the actual car, what this is. I know this is part of the engine, like it's the turbo, I guess. So either it is a turbo or it is just a air intake. So I can't able to say. It does look like an air intake, might be. Okay, so entire interior is actually chromed out, which looks really nice for this casting. So the paint job looks good. It is not worst compared to that BMW which we unboxed. This one looks really nice. So there are no taillight details either, so don't bother about that. It has some chassis detailing to it, which is really nice, and the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So let's do a roll test real quick. No, it doesn't roll that fast, but it does roll well compared to some other cars which we unboxed. I don't see any wheel wobble either. Yeah, I don't see much of a wheel wobble either. It looks really nice. So overall it is a good casting if you are a collector, and if you want to specifically collect, then this would be a good casting to collect. And that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.